we going to today?
Twin Falls, Idaho.
And what's in Twin Falls, Idaho?
Waterfalls.
Cool.
A couple of them, I guess.
I still am recovering from my hip replacement surgery, so I'll take video from up at the top of the falls.
What'd you think?
That's pretty nice, you know. It's a waterfall. What else can you say?
Here we are at Niagara Falls.
Watching the waterfall fall over the falls.
Here at Niagara Falls. Here we see the falls going over and it's loud.
You see water going over the falls.
Yeah, that's it.